Hello, my name is Melvin B. Paseta Jr. I'm from BSCS 25 and I'm going to talk about object-oriented database. So what is object-oriented database? An object-oriented database is a database management that aligns with the principles of object-oriented programming. Ang object-oriented database po is ito po yung nagmamanage ng mga datas, infos, and naka-align po ito sa object-oriented programming or mostly known as OOP. Yung OODB po is merong 5 parts. Yung first part is objects. Yung objects po is nahati sa 2 parts naman, which is yung attributes and methods. Yung attributes po, these are the characteristics or properties of the objects. This means, kung ano po yung nakikita natin sa real-life object, it could be a cup, kung ano yung kulay niya, ano yung height niya, and kung may laman ba siya or wala. Pwede rin siyang maging toy. Anong kulay ng toy mo? Anong klaseng toy siya? Toy car. And yung methods naman, ito po yung these are the actions or operations that an object can perform. Yung methods po, since yung object natin ay meron ng description or details, yung methods naman, siya yung nagmamanage ng actions ng toys natin. Yung kunwari, meron tayong toy car, siya yung magde-declare kung gusto ba nating umandar yung kotse na natin or huminto. Sa next part naman is yung class. A class is a blueprint or template that defines the structure and behavior of objects. It outlines the attributes and methods that objects belonging to that class will have. Sa class, ito po yung nagsiserve as blueprint ng object natin. Dito po tayo nakadepende kung ano po yung gusto talaga nating gawin ng object natin. And inheritance. The ability of a class to inherit properties and methods from another class, promoting code reuse and establishing hierarchy. Ang ibig sabihin po nito, yung class po natin, pwede po siya mag-inherit ng iba't ibang properties sa isa pang class. Kumbaga, kung meron tayong family, pwede nating ma-inherit yung genes ng mga magulang natin, or kung may powers yung magulang natin, may possibility or pwede nating gayahin or magaya or ma-inherit yung mga powers sila. Encapsulation. The bundling of data and methods within an object, restricting access and enhancing modularity. Sa encapsulation naman po, kapag naka-encapsulate yung data, hindi mo lang siya basta-basta ma-access kasi naka-private na po yung data and naka-encapsulate na nga po siya. Para ma-access mo po yung information, kailangan mo pong ng special key or method for it to be accessible. Parang way na rin siya ng protecting and organizing ng data or information. Polymorphism. The ability of different classes to be treated as instances of a common base class, facilitating flexibility in handling various object types. Sa polymorphism po, yung halimbawa po nito is yung 2 different objects is may pareho silang command. Kumbaga, kung meron tayong toy car and isang toy doll, pwede po silang magkaroon ng parehong command, pero magkakaroon naman po sila, iba naman po yung action sila. Kung yung toy car natin, pwede siyang, pag pinili natin yung play, pwede siyang umandar. Yung teddy naman natin, pag pinili natin siya, pwede siyang mag-jump, mag-walk, or mag-dance depending sa methods na nilagay natin sa mga objects natin. So, ayun lang po yung topic na i-explain ko about sa OODB or Object-Oriented Database. Thank you.